Hi again, it's Joshua Maimaguru behind the screen. As discussed before in the previous video, we mentioned about individuals who are selected to receive weekly alerts. And we want to go through first discussing or reading the text so we can better understand. As noted in the screenshot on page 4 of the documentary, take note on how the email content are presented in the table format. To properly address each individual alert, seek or try to know what triggered the alert. Therefore, it is recommended to first review the details of the weekly communication as presented in the table by finding out from which standard type, what is the information source, from which water distribution point, and the number of days since the alert was triggered. Lastly, read and understand the description of the alert, which clearly explains why the alert was triggered. So it's very important to note this information because it will help you when you are addressing the alert. Take note of the weekly communication. Take note of the description. This description is very, very important. Below here, when it comes to time to respond to alert, either stating that an action has been taken or simply making comment to explain what might have caused the alert and what the map field coordinator plans to do to resolve the issue, it is good to understand what really happened. The alert description is even more crucial in case of map field coordinator would need to possibly adjust the levels of the alert on the pump. That's very important. So now let me show you this table. The table on page 4, the table format is like this, so you can see it here, but I would just go straight to, let us look at this live. When an email comes, whoever has access to these emails, this is what you will see. The table is presented this way, and you will see this bar. The bar-coded red is showing you the alert, active alerts. For example, we are looking at Indonesia, the active alert, and then we here have unscheduled service outage over the past 30 days. Email will be sent if there are or not. He says no service outage. And we see insufficient data to analyze. It will send you the information for insufficient data. And it will also show you the cleared alerts during that week. So let's take Kenya as a table for Kenya. This table is presented this way. We can see column for action taken, and then my subscribed, category, standard type, information source, project numbers, project name, distribution point where the alert was triggered, how many days it has been triggered, and the description. This is very, very important because it tells you exactly what happened and why this happened. For instance, since July 11, there has been a low usage alert at water treatment system over the last 14 days. 817 liters per day was produced, which is less than the alert level of 1,000 liters per day. Now, here it's time to make a decision. Did we set up a volume of water to be produced every day high, or this is reasonable? It is reasonable. Then let us set up a committee with a meeting with the Safe Water Committee so we can see how we can improve on this. However, if you see that maybe this was too much, was unrealistic, it's time to say, okay, this alert will always be coming, and maybe let us set it to maybe 800 lower. That's one of the reasons why. So if you are to make any comment, anytime a comment is made, the week after, when the email communication comes, this is where the information that was produced will come. Because if there's no information, you see the empty space. That means there was no communication or there was no comment made. See? So when a comment is made, you will see it here. And when an action is taken, you will see the icon, a running man, on the left side. That's what you see. Like this country, we can see that they did a good job because they are really communicating and they take action quickly. It depends on which country you are looking at and what situation they are in. But that's very important to know how to respond and make use of these alerts, because as I told you, as soon as you see there is an alert, you need to make a comment and to inform the readers. Whoever will look at the map will be able to understand what's happening, and if somebody is doing something about it. That is the service we would like to provide to our beneficiaries as soon as possible. The standard recommended time is at least respond within 72 hours. Make a comment and try to take action as much as possible within 72 hours. Okay, with that, I would encourage you to read and understand, and if you have any question, do consult please the map support in Charleston. I'm there to help you or to guide you to whoever could help. But these emails do help very much to set up a way to communicate every time. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.